Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to learn how to customize your Duda website. So, if you have started your website design with Duda or you are going to learn Duda website builder, then this tutorial will be helpful for you. Here you are going to learn everything very easily, very quickly, and without any coding skill or any experience. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Duda account. Then you have to open your website. Here is my website. So open it in the edit mode. You have to click on the title or on the image of your website. So I'm going to click on the image to open it on the edit mode. The edit mode loading and all the element appear very soon. Yeah, you can see that our website edit mode loaded in here, and we are going to learn how to customize our website. So I hope you will enjoy this full tutorials and you will stay connected with me from the beginning to end. So you can see that there is a top section, slider, about section, video, promote section, product, testimonial, another text with image, and another promo section, email subscription section, and finally the Instagram section and footer section. So today we are going to start from top to bottom and customize all the section to learn how we can make it better as our requirement. Okay, first we are going to start from the top announcement bar. So when we move our mouse of any section or any row, it's highlighted. So for example, we wanted to change the color of this background of this announcement bar. To draw this, click on the row, then edit design. You can see that there is an option named edit design, then click on the style, and from here you can change the background color. Just looks very carefully. We're going to change the background color. Yes, okay. If you want to add border, then you can add border in here also, and you can add the shadow type, for example outer shadow and inner shadow. It's totally up to you, but there is an option. Okay, also you can add spacing in top, bottom, right and left. So I hope you understand this section. Then if you want to change the text, just click on here, then we can change any text from here. For example, we can remove, delete anything, change this text. So easy. Then click on the confirm. Also you can change the text font size from here, font family, and also make it italic, bold as your niche. Then here is the header row. In the same way, if you want to do anything in the header row, you have to click on the row, then you can change or edit design. You can work on here. For example, you want to change the icon, just click on the icon, then you can change the social icon. For example, we wanted to add YouTube video link, YouTube video icon, and remove this one. So easy. In the same way, we can change the layout. Looks here, we select this one. Looks, I hope you understand. We can change the layout in here. Okay, also you can change the style of icon. For example, change the icon size and spacing. We can add spacing. We can add hover effect on desktop. We can add hover effect. For example, select zoom. When you move our mouse or hover, it's zoom out. Okay, also we can change the position, right, center, right and left. Looks here, so easy and simple. Okay, then here is the slider section. We can change this image. Just click on the replay, then we can change this image or upload any new image as our requirement as we like. So you can do it by yourself. You can also add video in here. Just add YouTube video link in here, then the video slider start working in here. For example, we're going to add a video in here. Just go to YouTube and we'll search. Just open this video and copy the video URL and paste this video URL in here. Then our video start displaying in here. So beautiful and awesome design. You can control the video from here, like play video in loop, background overlay, and you can select the overlay color. We can remove the background overlay also. Looks here very professional and eye-catching design. We can also change the image as our requirement. We can also change the text from here. Just click on the text, then you can update the text as your requirement. Okay, then here the text and images section. In the same way, when you want to change anything, just click on this element. For example, this is paragraph element, this is title element, this is a button element, this is a image element. And if you want to change anything in here, just click on this image, then you will find the option replace image, link image, add alternative text on this image, add caption, tooltips text, or anything as your wish. Also you can change the image layout, like looks here, as your requirement. Okay, and this is also same. We have added a video in here. If we click on this section, then you have to just update the video URL in here. Also you can upload your own video and select it from here. Okay, then go to the bottom. This is the another icon and title. This is called promo section. To edit it like previous, click on this icon, then choose icon. There is nothing complex to understand or to change. Everything so easy. Just you have to play around of this theme, of this template or design, then you can do anything as your requirement. And here is the product section. To update any product, you have to add product from the sell online section. Looks here, then you can control this product like show title, show price, show SQ, show additional image, show sell level, on sell level, sold out level. You can add anything as your requirement from this option. In the same way, you can update the design from here, like change the layout. Looks here, now you understand better. Looks here. Okay, looks good, and looks now. Yes, so you can control everything from your customization section as your requirement. So I am going to skip this section. They are all same. And when you go to the email subscription option, just click on here, then you can change the email subscription option from here. And here is the Instagram feed section. You can do it by image gallery from the widget. Just go to the bottom and media. Looks here, media slider or photo gallery. You can do it using photo gallery. And finally the footer section. The footer section is the same as previous. You have to just click on the element and you can update anything as your requirement. So I hope you understand everything, how you can change or customize your Duda website without any coding skill, without any experience. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant to Duda, digital marketing or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.